Forced labor. For the purposes of international human rights law, the 1930 Forced Labor Convention of the International Labour Organization, ILO, defines forced labor as all work or service which is exacted from any person under the menace of any penalty, and for which the said person has not offered himself voluntarily. So defined, the concept of forced labor covers a wide range of phenomena including slavery, slavery-like practices such as serfdom, human trafficking for labor, or sexual exploitation, migrant workers trapped in debt labor bondage, women and girls forced into prostitution, children working in sweatshop with little pay, farm and rural debt bondage, the abuse of domestic workers, labor exacted by a state or by agencies of a state, other than as a punishment for a criminal offense, labor camps, prison labor. A recent study by the organization avers that the victims of forced labor lose an estimated $20 billion every year in unpaid earnings.